Bombalite 3-point hitch stump blasters transform your tractor's PTO into stump-destroying power. The small but mighty 1P24 PTO Stump Blaster is designed for tractors as small as 20 horsepower, with Category 1 3-point hitch and no hydraulics required. Setup is easy. Just connect the 3-point hitch and PTO, adjust your top link, and raise the stands, and this hungry little unit is ready to go. The 1P24 is ready to take on stumps as high as 10 inches. To take out your stumps, back up to and over the stump. Lower the stump blaster and drive forward. Now, remember what your mom told you. Take little bites and chew slowly. This will give you the best performance. Let the hinge do the work. Stumps are ground till they are nothing but a bad memory up to 6 inches below grade. If you have a lot of stumps or are really serious about blasting stumps, take a step up to the 3P24 and 3P34 models of Stump Blaster. These models have lift and swing cylinders to help you efficiently remove unwanted lawn guests. Our carbide tipped replaceable teeth rip into stumps with a passion. For the highest efficiency cutting performance, make sure you adjust the flow control valve. This allows you to control the speed of the cut while giving a full speed return. This means you finish with one and get on to the next one. And if you have a tractor that is chomping at the bit to chew up and spit out stumps with 80 plus horsepower and 1000 PTO, then look no further than the 3P40 HPR. This unit is designed with a special gearbox to harness and direct all that power at your unwanted stumps.